Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. These are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Four of Suns in reverse. Sorry guys, the cards are slipping here. Four of Moons and Hangman in reverse. So this may be your energy in work situation or in your relationship, guys. So today, maybe for some of you, you are simply stressed, you are tired simply. Maybe you have faced or you are facing a lot of troubles in your life situations. Maybe some worries are there in your situation and you are really stressed and tired, and you are really having something holding you back, and something is making you more confused and more stressed. You don't know which way to go. So some confusions are there in your situation, guys, and there may be people troubling you. You may see someone working against you, but you need to be careful, guys. You should not harbor bitterness or anger towards this person. It is best you avoid them, and it is best you have self-confidence, believe in yourself, and take things lightly and have that belief in yourself that everything will be all right and move forward. You should not hold any negative or ill feelings towards others. So that is going to affect you in the long run. So you have to let go of all that hurt you are feeling today in your situation. So it may be in your work or it may be in this relationship. And the reasons for these troubles may be the selfishness on this person's part. So they are just concerned about themselves. They are really selfish. Or there is a person, someone accusing you. This may be this person you love. So they are accusing you of something, maybe some troubles, whatever that's happening today. So they see you as the reason for their troubles or this situation today. So this person is quite egoistic, selfish, and they do not have positive intentions towards you. So it may be this person you are in relationship with, or it may be someone in your work. So they have ill feelings towards you, but whatever they are, you should not go for negative thoughts. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. And maybe your situation may reverse for some of you if you are really able to find out the people who can help you. So there are people who are really concerned about you, who has truthful intentions towards you. If you are able to take their suggestions, listen to their guidance, you are going to come out of this difficulty, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So for your relationship, the card specific to your relationship, it is the Fool. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just means that you are quite you have that carefree energy today. You do not feel responsible. You are just going with the flow wherever your mind is taking you, listening to your or obeying your instincts today, guys. And you are not serious. you are just curious. That is what I see. You are not serious about this relationship. You just want fun. You are just going with the flow wherever this relationship is taking you. This may be your energy or their energy, guys. So let's see what is the card, and that may be the reason this person is accusing you, guys. With the previous cards we had that energy, so they are accusing you of certain things. Maybe they feel that you are not serious enough about this relationship, about them. So that may be their accusation here, guys. So for your career situation, we have Two of Moons, guys. So it just means that you are moving towards some collaboration or partnership in your business, and something which you love to do. That may be the thing you are moving towards. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Cancers, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So this card is from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So let's see what is the guidance. So I will keep this card aside, and we will see what is the card for y'all. The first card and the crystal, the guidance, Tiger Eye. So this is your crystal guidance, guys. I hope you can see the card here. I will leave the crystal here. So this crystal stands for positive intentions. So whatever we want to manifest in our life today, let it be our career situation or let it be our relationship, when we have positive intentions, it is going to work out in a positive way, guys. And just being interested in someone does not mean that we are going towards marriage or a deep commitment. So you need not have any fear towards knowing someone you are really interested in. Just maybe asking them out or just meeting up with that person does not mean anything great. You can just know them as a friend. Maybe you are having some kind of blocks in your mind. Maybe you have something blocking you from moving towards someone you are interested in. And this crystal guidance is not only having those dreams and fantasies, some wishful thinking. It stands for action. So you can ask them out, maybe spend time with this person you are interested in. And maybe if you are optimistic, if you have positive intentions towards this connection, it may work out well for you guys, and you will not feel sorry for knowing them or going out of the way, maybe taking this first step today in this relationship, today towards this person you are interested in. So with this card, the guidance is that maybe some of you all are just worried or something is holding you back from connecting to someone you are interested in, but you need not fear. You have to let go all your fears and you can move forward, and you will not regret that you took this first step, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card and the second crystal. So let's see what is the card. It is blue beard, taboos. So for those who chose this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you are maybe in a relationship with someone, or you are having a friendship with someone, but you do not know them very well. Maybe they are hiding some secrets, and maybe if it is something small, it is not to worry, but this person may be dangerous. They want you to know only their better qualities, and they are hiding some things evil. Maybe they have evil intentions. And if you have people, your soul family, maybe your friends or family members, who are really concerned about your welfare, who are having positive intentions towards you, and you know them very well, you trust them very well, and if this person is suggesting you certain things, is advising you against this relationship or against this connection, you need to listen to it, guys, and you need to be curious about this person. Maybe if you do not have clarity about what are their intentions, you have to have curiosity, find out what is there in their mind. Maybe your curiosity may help you out of some difficult situation, guys. Maybe holding on to secrets is nothing bad. But if this relationship involves obedience or some kind of punishment, you need to take a step back, think, then make a right decision, guys, for you and for this relationship. Maybe it holds some hidden dangers. You have to be really careful, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.